Some of my viewers have expressed that they don't care for the profanity. This video is for them. All the profanity has been bleeped out. If, on the other hand, you like to hear a good occasional cussing out, well, then you want to watch the version with the profanity. Both videos are being released at exactly the same time, and a link for the profanity-laden version is included in the description down below. So if you want to hear some good old-fashioned cussing, click on that link. Men, and I use the term loosely. I'm trying to work on this motorcycle right here. And I have a certain amount of stuff that I wanted to get accomplished today. And once again, the aftermarket parts industry is f***ing me. You've heard me bitch about V-twin. You've heard me bitch about chrome in general. You've heard me bitch about colony bolts, which I'm getting another video together to do more bitching about colony. Well, today we're going to bitch about Gardner-Wescott bolts. They're f***ing me, and I'm getting so pissed off at these people. But, let me show you. All right, I got a set of Gardner-Wescott hardware over here. Right here under this little plastic bubble are chrome Allen cap screws for the rocker boxes. Let me show you the first f***ing problem I have with these things. Here's one of the bolts, okay? Beautiful, huh? Comes with all these washers. Look at this. The f***ing washer doesn't f***ing fit. I mean, I could kind of sort of jam it on there. And once again, I have to ask the question, don't these f***ing aftermarket people own a f***ing ruler, a caliper, a micrometer? What the f***? It's a f***ing simple washer and a f***ing hole isn't the right size. F*** me. Ay. Here is a skanky old Harley bolt. But you'll notice, oh, the washer fits right on there. Oh, it took a genius to figure that out. What the f***? What the f***? Okay? Well, now on to problem number 2. And this is one of my pet peeves with chrome hardware. You got a bolt, and maybe it started out like this, okay? And then you polish it and clean it, blah, 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 and you put a layer of chrome on there. Well, guess what? This bolt is now fatter than it used to be. How much fatter? Not a lot. This one is 0.310, pretty much exactly, 5/16 of an inch, okay? Here's the Harley one. Oh, look at that. 0.305, 5/1000ths of an inch smaller. That's the difference between threading into the hole and not threading into the hole. So I got these rocker boxes, and as is my custom, I chase all the holes out with the tap because that's what I do. Well, you go to screw this screw in there, it won't f***ing screw in. It's too fat. So now I got to chase the threads on this chrome threaded part over here with the die. And it still actually is a little bit snug. I am in the habit of, I like to be able to run all the screws in with my fingers. If I can't run a screw with my fingers, that means there's something wrong with the threads and it needs to be addressed. So I've now had to run a tap through all the holes on the cylinder head. But like I say, I do that anyway on all the holes on every engine I rebuild, just because you don't want to get it 3/4 of the way together and then find out, oh, you got a screwed up pole and now you got to take it apart again. So I do that as a matter of routine. Well, now I got to go run a die over all these chrome bolts. Well, there's 14 of them, and it takes a few minutes to do every one of these things. So had I selected this hardware and bought it for this customer, I, as the builder, this would be on me. But you know what? The owner selected this, the owner bought it, and he gave it to me. He's eaten the extra hour and a half it's going to take me to tap all of these holes out and run everything down and straighten it out. So, well, like I say, I got another video coming up about colony head bolts. That's a long story. That's not for now. This is for now. But, when does it end with these companies. When does it end? There's no quality control whatsoever. Yeah. Let's see if it says on here where these bastards are made. Doesn't say over there. I don't want to lose all these chrome washers. You know, they're probably f***ing metric. Yeah, it doesn't say on the back. I don't see anywhere on the front where it says they're made. But you know, now I gotta add Gardner-Wescott to the list of companies that pisses me off. It's getting to be a long list. Hey, if you're an aftermarket manufacturer, you better hurry to get on that list because the list is running out of room. Anyway, yeah, just sharing a rant with you. Y'all take it easy. Thanks for watching. Bye. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. You know, I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.